Hey everybody, hope you guys all had a great Thanksgiving. Another one bites the dust. This is the Night Stalker. Finally got this one done. There's a couple things on there that I didn't put on there. One thing is the exhaust pipes off the side. I would have to actually jack up the front end a little too much to have it match that. I actually just rather have them just dumping out the side. Have it a mean sounding Corvette. Have the exhaust right there. So this one I didn't do any of the wiring and all that details to, and this was a pretty old release kit. The wheels are custom to it. Don't make the ones that come in the kit. These ones you actually get to see through because the kit actually came with brakes and that, so you actually could see. And they had the old steel drag wheels, so you wouldn't have been able to see through and see the brakes. I have it lit up. I went with the black chrome on the bottom trim on the bumpers and on the side, but I stayed with chrome around the windows and the Corvette symbol, door handles, wipers, and the wheels, and the logo up front. You got a tack inside. I have to have a picture of it showing it inside. I still might do a little bit of wash on it on the bottom of that, but so far I haven't done that yet. Let me stop this. The hood opens but don't stay in this model. And I actually have the body, so it does come off. So there's the engine. I didn't put much detail into this one. A relatively hard kit to put together to begin with, but I might do some washes on the headers, give them a little bit of age heat look. And then for the interior, I'll try to get some. I'm going to put pictures on the end. You can see the tack and got all the switches lit up. And got the chrome on the dash like most Corvettes do. This one has a roll cage. It's red with black foam. It's right there. You see the foam. And then there's seat belts inside. And for some reason that glass is so shiny that you ain't gonna be able to see there's a fire extinguisher in the back. But it's a pretty mean looking Corvette. I like the stance on this one. So that's one reason why I didn't glue the two together. I don't want to have to raise the body up any more than what it already is. I kind of like to be able to take that one apart. I didn't do any decals. I might change my mind on that. But so far I'm thinking this one's done. Time for it to go on the shelf with the others. Alright, until next time, guys. I'll see you then.